So today is my brother Sam's birthday. We decided to take this guy Sam with us to the movies, right?
Yeah.
This guy. He's
This
always
guy,
like
Sam.
this. Do you want to drive too?
Yeah.
Turn 16.
I never freeze.
Don't freeze.
I never freeze.
Can I have one of these brownies?
Yeah, sure thing. Let me give it to you. There you go.
Whoa, buddy! Wow, we need to redeem our brownie abilities.
Little brownie chips.
Ooh. To our surprise, we woke up to a bunch of fresh snow. So we can go out. Where'd Adam go?
Oh, there he is.
You ready?
Let's go do some donuts this time.
Let's go.
Cuts to a clip we're actually eating donuts again.
Dude, we got it. It's actually.
Yo, we should eat donuts while doing donuts. Oh my gosh.
It's finally starting to look like you, Tom.
This guy. A plow. Oh, whoa, he's always like this. Oh my, oh no. Whoa. That was a crazy one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We're going backwards.
Going backwards. Backwards.
No way, he's not down.
Yeah. You ready?
Hey, you got a sled?
No, I have to run to my parents' house.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
You got the rope.
You already know.
Hey, take a sharp turn, you'll cut my head off. Snowboard's edge. It's right on my neck.
Is there any cars?
I can't tell. Should I roll the window down?
No, don't roll that window down. Keep it up. Keep it up. There's no cars that way.
I go down as G-O-D. Yeah. No car. Oh, there's a car actually. 2 cars. Looks like after this red one, you should be fine.
Yeah.
Sunday! Oh my god, dude. There's so much snow.
Yeah, you should probably mop that.
Are you putting the rope on, Adam? Oh my gosh, dude.
Final thoughts before the send?
Listen, man. A boy without his send is just that, a boy. I can live by that.
Hey, tell me to go faster or slower.
A little faster. Hey! Oh, this street is money!
Whoa, buddy's down! Oh no! Whoa! Buddy looks like a Yeti.
So we just destroyed these people's lawn while they watched.
Dude, what the f? I'm stuck.